Drones by Julie Murray. Drones. A drone is a flying machine. It is an unmanned aerial vehicle, UAV. This means it has no pilot on board. Some drones are flown by pilots on the ground. The pilots use remote controls, others use computers to fly on their own. UAVs have been around for a long time. The first of its kind was used in 1849. Austrian soldiers attacked the city of Venice, Italy. They used unmanned balloons filled with explosives. Today, UAVs are much more advanced. Some carry supplies or weapons. Others have cameras or sensors. In 2019, UAVs were used in the Bahamas. They surveyed the damage after Hurricane Dorian hit. How drones are used. There are many uses for UAVs. Farmers use them to view their crops. They are also used to study weather systems. UAVs can be used for landing, surveying, and filming movies too. UAVs play an important role in search and rescue missions. They are able to cover a lot of ground in a short time. They can reach areas that are hard or dangerous for humans to reach. Many people use small drones for fun. Some even set up obstacle courses and race their drones. Drones are also used in sports. Some NFL teams use them at practices. They are able to get a bird's eye view of players. Military drones. UAVs are used by the military too. They are mainly used for surveillance. A pilot on the ground flies a drone using radio control. Their drones can mark enemy positions or survey the land. They can also take photos. Some military drones are used for combat. The location is set so that the UAV flies to a specific spot. The MQ-9 Reaper is used for precision airstrikes. The U.S. Navy uses unmanned undersea vehicles, UUV. These are used for surveillance and clearing naval mines. Soon, they could be developed as weapons for future combat. More fact: Domino's Pizza was the first to deliver a pizza using a drone. On November 16, 2016, a drone delivered a pizza in New Zealand. In 2018, hundreds of drones were used in the halftime show at Super Bowl 52. Their lights formed an American flag in the sky. In 2019, Amazon announced that drones will soon be able to deliver some packages. They believe that many of their packages could be handled by drones. Glossary. Computer, an electronic device that is used to store and sort information and work with data at a high speed. Naval mine. A self-contained explosive device placed in water to damage or destroy surface ships or submarines. Land surveying. The science and technique of accurately determining the boundaries and features of land. Precision. The state of being accurate or exact. The end.